Kylie, and I am filming a full face for you guys, so if you want to get in on all of my new favorite products, then just keep on watching. So the Strobe Primer by Farmasi is my favorite primer right now because it keeps my skin hydrated underneath my makeup since I do have really dry skin. So this just helps with like dry patches and things like that that I usually experience. So this keeps that all away for me. So I like to start with my brows first, just so that when I'm using my spoolie to brush my brows out, I don't mess up my foundation. Brow powder is like my favorite thing ever when it comes to brow products, just because it is the only thing that doesn't get waxy or clumpy or anything like that. I feel like powder is the easiest to apply, and because I feel like I'm not a pro at doing my brows, powder is really the way to go. So if you haven't already noticed, I'm going to start with my eyeshadow first and then move on to my face afterwards. So I'm going for a Kylie Jenner inspired look, and she likes to do a lot of neutrals on the eyes. So I'm going to be taking this Vice Brown eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the brown shade in here. But then I'm also going to be taking our 3-in-1 face palette. Even though it is a face palette, obviously the colors can still be used in the eyes, so I'm also going to be taking this bronzy shade and I'm going to put that on my eye as well. This little eye pencil to line my lash line with, and I really like it because it's creamy and it's not waxy or anything like that. Now that I'm moving on to my face, I'm going to be using my favorite serum at the moment, which is... So I am editing, and I just realized that I said serum instead of foundation, probably because the name of the foundation that I use is called Serum Foundation. Yeah, sorry about that. The Serum Foundation, and I'm in the shade 01. So this foundation is really nice for my dry skin. It keeps me hydrated, and it also gives me a little dewy look. So next I'm going to be mixing together 03 and 04 in our concealers, just because I feel like that's what gives me the perfect shade for concealing my under eyes. So now I'm going to be using our contour stick, which is probably one of my absolute favorite products. It's super creamy, super easy to blend, and it's not muddy or anything like that, so I really love this for contouring. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my face using our perfecting powder. So deeper shades, and I'm going to use these to do a little bit of bronzing and powder contour. So now I'm going to be taking the blush out of our 3-in-1 face palette. This is my favorite blush color. It's super like blushy, and I love to have a blush that has a lot of pink to it. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take the highlighter in here too, because it's also really pretty. So now that my face is done, I'm going to go back in with the Vice Brown palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the brown and go underneath the bottom lash line. And last but obviously not least, this is my favorite lip color ever. It is a matte lipstick, and it is the prettiest fuchsia shade I've ever seen. Okay guys, so this was my Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look using a full face of Farmasi, which is the majority of my favorite makeup products at the moment. This lipstick is bomb, I'm telling you. It's amazing. I love it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to drop any comments or anything like that, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.